Hi everyone, I recently won some giveaways and I wanted to share with you all what I got, so let's take a look. The first giveaway is off of Instagram from a company called DOLLY Pop Nails. I'll leave all the information to everyone down below. And these are beautiful press-on nails. I won their Cinco de Mayo giveaway. And let me open them. So these are pretty. I like these. I didn't get to choose any of them. They just sent me the nails. So they're all really, really nice. These are different. They're very pretty. I really like these also. And these are nice for the summertime. The second one is from Chanta Peak off of YouTube. And this is my first ever Burberry anything. This is the Burberry vintage scarf. And you button it on the sides. You can button it all the way or just button two, and it keeps you really warm. It's very pretty cashmere. Super, super soft, which I like. And I'm excited to wear it one day. The last one is from Instagram off of a page called Glitz Co. She hand makes these tumblers and she sent me another one. She replaced it because the Hello Kitties on the other tumbler had marks on their faces and I couldn't remove them. I offered to send the cup back, but she said no, it was okay. And the cup finally got here, so I'm excited. Here's everything I won. I love it all. I'm super happy and excited to use it. Thank you guys so much. And to everyone watching, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.